Today, I'm installing a new Apexi exhaust on my Honda Civic project car. All right, so after 2 neighbors visiting, a couple phone calls, 1 beer, and a couple other distractions, finally got the exhaust all together. Let's see what she sounds like. All right. As you guys might notice, very, very quiet exhaust. Very clean look to it. Car looks great. Got it on quick jacks right now. And very quiet exhaust, of course. A little bit of a tip adjustment is needed. You can see it's a little bit to the right. I'll probably do that at a later time. But exhaust came out super clean. Minor fingerprints, minor scratches from the install. I try to minimize as much scratches on the exhaust. Alrighty guys, so just finished installing the exhaust on the car. The exhaust at least is very, very quiet. I would say just a step up from stock. Not very loud, not obnoxious. That's exactly what I was looking for. Just something very quiet. This car is going to be going supercharged, so it will be supercharged pretty soon. But we still have to do some engine work before we could supercharge it, because I found out recently that this car actually needs a head gasket. Did a couple tests with the cylinder block tester. You know, that fluid that changes color. It's got a blown head gasket, unfortunately. Cars looks great. We still have to do a little bit more polish work. Like I said, the exhaust is done. Very quiet. Can't even hear it. Just a little bit of a rumble. Probably put some sound clips of me revving it up, but still have a little bit more suspension work to do, engine work to do, install a supercharger, do the headliner, put some of the interior back together. So we got a lot of work on this car ahead of us. Anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video, and catch you guys on the next one. See ya.